What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We have the 6th Gen 4Runner up on the lift. If you missed our last video, we just installed a set of Trail Hunter skid plates, so if you want to check that out, link is in the description. But while we have it up on the lift, we're also going to be installing some brand new tow hooks here from 6 Engineering. This is going to be one of the easiest things that you can do on your 4Runner. Literally 2 bolts, we'll take off the factory one, get the new one on, and it's gonna look a lot better. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So we have 2 bolts on this side holding the factory tow hook on. Same on the driver's side. We got a 17mm socket and a ratchet, and we're gonna go ahead and remove these bolts. Take off the other side. All right, we got the factory ones off and we have the brand new ones here from 6 Engineering. Definitely look a lot better, and the red is gonna look nice. Matches our shocks here on the TRD Offroad. So let's go ahead, get these mounted up. We have some brand new hardware to get these installed. Should be pretty simple. So we'll go ahead, take the new bolts, put these in place. We can get them tightened down, and the torque spec is actually right on here, 75 foot-pounds, so that makes it easy. New bolts are gonna be a 15mm. So I'll go ahead and tighten them down with this first. And we got the torque wrench out, 75 foot-pounds. Go ahead and tighten these down. All right, so with the bolts torqued down, that is it. This is one of the easiest mods that you can do on your new 4Runner. This also fits the new Tacoma and Land Cruiser. So if you have one of those and you want to upgrade your tow hooks, this is a great option. Available on YotaXpedition.com. Hopefully this video helped you guys. If you have any questions about the product or the install, comment down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.